Are you ready to make a lasting impact on the lives of students in grades 8 through 12? Introducing the Social Emotional Learning Train the Trainer certification. This advanced program is specifically designed for teachers, social workers, and counselors who aspire to train educators in leading impactful social-emotional learning groups. Dive deep into the core elements of social-emotional learning, including self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making. But that's not all. Our comprehensive curriculum also covers vital topics such as anger management, effective decision-making, cognitive distortions, perception and reframing, mood management, and effective facilitation strategies. This certification equips you with the expertise to deliver and train others on how to provide effective social-emotional learning workshops and groups. Ensure a lasting positive impact on both students and the communities you serve. By taking this training, you will have the skills and expertise to train personnel on social-emotional learning at your school. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your skills and make a difference. Call the Diversion Center at 404-503-8069 to be added to our waiting list for our upcoming training.